winter is over and the new season is ready to go. Hilton Park in the West Midlands is a new track to the championship, and preparations have been happening to make sure it's a perfect opener to a season that's packed with even more promise than ever, and starts all of the classes with a proper challenge. It's easy to find though, and easy to get to. Good motorways heading in all directions, so that 9:30 AM start on Sunday morning shouldn't be at all daunting. And it will be worth it. A packed programme of close racing begins at 12:15. Plenty of time to get settled and pick a vantage point on a track that's changed a lot over the winter, especially for this weekend.